You may want to save password for certain websites so that you don't have to keep on re-entering them. So to access the setting for saving password, you need to click on the three dot button over here and then go to settings. And then over here, what you need to do is you need to go around onto profiles, and over here you can see that passwords is an option over here. So once I go around onto passwords, then you can see that I have no password actually set right now. But what I can do is I can go around and add password as I like. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and then let's say, for example, add in password for wikipedia.org right here, just like this. So now you can go around and add in your username right here, just like this. And then you can go around and enter out your password according to how you want as well. And then over here, you can see that you can choose the type over here. Like, let me just go around and say email, or maybe let's say, for example, social media right here. And then I'm going to go around and say my password for editing Wikipedia right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on save, and that particular password will be saved, as you can see right here. It also helps you to check up for password security, as you can see, just like this. Similarly, if you have some email, let's say, for example, for gmail.com right here, just like this, you can go around and add in username over here. Like, you can go around and say tutor2 channel at gmail.com right here, just like this. And you can also go around and add in your password over here, just like this. So you can go around and add in your password, and then you can choose email and say password for email right here, just like this, and click on save, and then you can see the passwords over here. So if I were to go around onto Gmail right here, just like this, you can go around and see the password. You can also click on the password to see what the password is, and there's this email over here as well. If you sign into some website, you get prompted to save your password over there as well. And then once you save the password, everything will be collected over here itself. And you can also go around and check for password, and if there's any leaked password or if any password is weak, then it'll prompt you to change it as well, which helps you to maintain password security as well. And that is how you can save out passwords inside of Microsoft Edge manually. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.